Well, after this morning's rain, the drizzle moved in and now the fog has just kind of enveloped portions of West Michigan. 13 weather ball is blinking bright as well tonight. We have some light rain showers towards daybreak in sights. Also red, much warmer weather ahead. 13 weather ball brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast 40 today. So far it's been 36. Our temperatures will continue to go up this evening. So far this is not a great streak. We've got 2 days in a row where we've missed by 3 degrees or more. But tomorrow we are looking at some fog, especially early in the day. A couple of light rain showers into the morning, but then we'll warm up to 54 and stay cloudy for the most part all day long. Because of the fog that's expected to develop, and that is developing, we have a dense fog advisory that has now been issued until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So if you're out traveling this evening, you're going to need to slow down and keep those low beam headlights on, allow a lot of distance between you and the guy in front of you. Otherwise, the visibilities have been flirting down near zero over toward Pontiac and Port Huron. Mile visibility here and there, but only a quarter mile in Ionia. And it saw from the tower cam, it's very foggy here on the northwest side of town. But the rain from earlier today left about a quarter to a half an inch. That is now moving out. A little bit of an upper level system coming out of the Midwest that may just be enough to create a couple of sprinkles or some very light showers very late tonight through about 10 o'clock in the morning. You can see that on our hour-by-hour forecast. Those southerly winds will continue to bring up that milder air, but you notice by about 2 o'clock in the morning, just some scattered light rain showers coming on through. Not very many, but they'll be moving out very quickly tomorrow morning, and we may actually see a couple of breaks in the clouds. And with temperatures up into the mid-50s, it'll almost feel like the early part of April instead of the middle part of January. Lots of clouds again overnight tomorrow night. There'll be some fog in the morning on Sunday, and again, lots of cloud cover around. Chances of rain on Sunday aren't zero, but they're not very high at all. In fact, we're just going to continue with the cloudy and mild weather for the next several days. For tomorrow, though, that dense fog advisory until at least 10 o'clock. Cloudy skies, 47 north to as warm as 54 Holland and South Haven. Up north, again, a lot of low clouds and fog. 48 to 54 for highs tomorrow, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area from Point southward, anywhere between about 54 and as much as 58 degrees. And again, because of the rain, the rivers are at bank full or higher in many of the locations around West Michigan. Tomorrow, temperatures will be in the mid-50s. That's the average high of about April 5. We'll have about a south wind about 6 to 12, and the sun coming up there at 6 minutes after 8 o'clock. Temperatures will be falling a bit on Monday as low pressure moves well to our east. That's going to keep us away from precipitation until Tuesday night, when there may be a little bit of light snow that changes to some rain next Wednesday. 13 on target forecast. Looking at cloudy skies, then the rest of next week into the weekend, we're going to cool off back down into the 30s, a little bit closer to our average highs for this time of year.